Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A71 and let me show you how to activate flash notifications on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and pick accessibility. It's right here, go to the advanced settings and now smoothly by tapping on flash notifications you can activate them. So if you would like to turn on camera flash, so here is how it will look like, just tap on this switcher. Then you can also activate flash, screen flash, and if you will slide left, you will be able to see how it will look. And then if you'd like to activate it as well, smoothly tap here. And that's it. From now on, you will have the flash on your camera light and also on the screen once you receive any notification or alarm. So this is it. This is how you can activate LED notifications in your device, in your Samsung Galaxy A71. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.